In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion database. We're going to walk through the basic setup from start to finish so you can build a database that's organized, flexible, and actually useful for your daily workflow. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and once you understand the structure, it becomes much easier to customize things later. First, open Notion and create a new page. This gives you a clean space to build your database and keeps everything contained in one place. You can think of this page as the home for the system you're creating, whether it's for tasks, projects, content planning, or anything else you want to track. Once your new page is ready, type /database. In Notion, /commands are a quick way to insert different types of content, and this is one of the fastest ways to start building a database. As soon as you enter the command, Notion will show you database options that you can insert directly into the page. Next, choose the database type that fits the way you want to work. Notion gives you several layouts, including table, board, list, calendar, gallery, and timeline. A table is great if you want a clear spreadsheet style setup. A board works well for visual workflows, especially when you want to group items by status. A list keeps things simple and clean. A calendar is helpful for date-based planning. A gallery is useful when visual previews matter. And a timeline is a strong option for scheduling across longer periods. After selecting the layout, start adding properties. Properties are the fields that define the information each item will contain. You might add a status property to track progress, a date property for deadlines, a tag property for categories, a person property for ownership, or a checkbox for quick yes or no tracking. Choosing the right properties early on makes the database much easier to use consistently. Now begin adding your records, which are the actual items or entries inside the database. Each record represents something you want to track. As you enter them, fill in the relevant properties so your data stays structured and easy to sort later. Once your entries are in place, create different views to organize the same data in different ways. This is one of Notion's most useful features. For example, you might keep a table view for detailed editing, a board view for progress tracking, and a calendar view for anything tied to dates. The data stays the same, but the way you look at it changes depending on what you need. Finally, review the database and make sure it fits your workflow. Check that the layout makes sense, the properties are useful, and the views help you work more efficiently. A good database should feel simple to maintain and easy to understand every time you open it.